Hey, cutie pies. Hey, Mackenzie, come here. Come here, Mackenzie. Oh, that's a good girl. Yeah. Good job, Mackenzie. Yeah, who's that? Who is that? Is that Jude? Oh, Jude, you's a cutie pie. Uh-huh. You gonna get my strap? You getting that strap? Oh, yeah. Whoa. Cricket. Cricket. Cricket, come here. Come here, Cricket. Good girl. What a good job. Hey, Abby Doodle. All right. Hey, Ringo. There's my baby. There's my little baby boy. Where you going? So the puppies turned 4 weeks old today. And they're still as cute as they can be. Yes, they are. Oh, Mackenzie, you're a mess. You're a mess. What about you, Cricket? Hey, cutie pie. You're so sweet. Yeah. Oh, you're so sweetie pie. I know. I see you there, Jude. I see you, honey. Oh, let's see. Got a Skylar. She's a sleepy girl. She just got finished feeding. What are my babies doing? Oh my goodness. Oh, Jude. You're so funny. You're a funny puppy. Yeah. Well, I'd been not feeling so well today, and so for the most part, I'd been laying in bed. And when I woke up and came in here to check on the puppies, the potty pads were the only place that I saw messes, and I was so proud of them. Normally, I've been asking them whenever they wake up to go potty on the potty pad, and of course after they eat. And anyway, they're doing wonderfully. Oh my goodness, you're a frisky puppy, aren't you, Jude? Yeah, here you are. Hey, Ringo. Ringo, come here, baby. Come here. This is a good baby. Yeah. Yes, it is. Come here, Abby. Come here, baby. Oh, you're a sleepy girl. Oh, yeah. Can you give me 5? Give me 5. Give me 5. Not yet. Aw. You remind me a lot of your daddy when you was a little baby. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Hey, Jude. Abby. Abby. Oh, she's normally over here with me. I miss you, Abby Doodle. Goodness. You guys want all the attention. Get him, Jude. Well, when you feel sick and you have a room full of puppies, it is hard not to feel better just being around them. Because they are precious. They are. They're precious. Mackenzie, what you doing over here? So I took the plastic bin out. The puppies were getting close to being able to climb on top of it, and I didn't want them to be able to climb on top of it and then jump down. So I took it out, and they've been really good staying in their little area. I put a little potty pad here, and I've got one still over here in this little area. And when they want to sleep, they go into this area. I believe that it's, you know, they feel comfortable there. Hey, Pumpkin. Look at that copper. Yeah. That tan's coming in nice. Yeah, it is. Yeah. And you've got right here on your side of your face, Jude. Yeah. And on your legs, right here, on the inside. You look just like your grandfather, Django's daddy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Well, I guess everybody's going to sleep. Do we have everybody? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're not asleep, are you, Jude? No. You're not asleep at all. You're mommy's buddy, aren't you? Yes, you are. Here's mommy's buddy. Yes, you are. You look like a little bear. I love you. I do. I love you so much. Get that butt. There's the, okay. So we got Mackenzie, Skylar. Okay, and we got 3. I thought I had lost one. Alright. Well, week number 4, or the 4 weeks old. We had our warmer today. And soon I'll be giving these babies baths, probably tomorrow. I've already given Ringo his bath, and so hopefully, and it takes a while. It might take a couple of days for me to get video of it, because after every bath, I don't use a blow dryer. I actually hand dry them, and it normally takes about an hour. So are you waving? Are you waving, Mackenzie? Are you a waving girl? And I let them lay on my chest in a towel and so when you guys are washing your babies, make sure that you get them completely dry. We don't want them to catch cold. Isn't that right, Mackenzie? Can you wave? Say hello. No? You finished waving? You gonna get mommy's milk? Okay. So, these are the babies. And I just want to thank you guys for watching these videos. One more smile for the camera. Jude, one more smile. You getting camera shy now? Yeah, play the banjo. Will you play the banjo? Oh, play the banjo. Let's see, where's that spot? All dogs have this spot. There it is. There's just a spot. Alright.